People stand up for the participants to know who you are. Reverend Kingsley Dadibo, the one who said the opening prayer for us. Please, he's one of our speakers. A round of applause, please, for Mr. Dadibo. The next one is Dr. Gamel Okwampa Radio. If you could join us up front, please. Dr. Gamel Okwampa Radio. He's the Dean of the School of Technology at Kempa. Thank you very much. Sir, take a seat up front, please. The next speaker, I think he's already taken a seat up front, Dr. Benjamin Ernest Aflakwi. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Aflakwi. And finally, the last but not the least, Dr. Jamel Din Abdullahi. I think you will keep your seat there. Okay, thank you very much. Now, as is custom of these occasions, we would like the host of the institution, that's Telecom University College, together with our participants, to give a proper introduction now to tell us the statements that these are what they wish to do in this thing. But before we do that, I also like Professor Scooby, our partner in Denmark, to probably give a brief introduction about himself. And he's observing us all the way from Denmark with video internet facility. So, ladies and gentlemen, Professor Scooby, he'll give a brief introduction about himself and what he's representing. Thank you. Professor Scooby.
Thank you very much. Can you hear me? Yes. Good morning to all of you from greetings here from sunny Denmark. It's supposed to be winter here. Last year we had snow at this time, but today it's actually quite sunny. But I guess it's not as sunny as in Ghana. But anyway, I would like to say just a few words that I'm very happy. We are very happy here from Aalborg University that this seminar has been arranged. And I'm very happy to see this great audience gathered here to listen to what Rana has found out during his studies here. The subject about e-learning, in-learning, is certainly a subject that we put great emphasis on here. And we are very happy to see this development that's been going on during our study, and to see him contribute to the development of the knowledge of how we can actually use e-learning, in-learning in different settings, in different cultural and geographic settings. We are also very happy to see this ongoing collaboration between Aalborg University and TTUC, and see that this is resulting now also in research being presented in Ghana as a result of the collaboration between the two universities. And we are certain, as some of you may know, we have quite a number of students from Ghana enrolled in the PhD program here. And I'm confident that during the coming period, we'll see more of these activities that will contribute to the build-up of the capacity within ICT research and ICT knowledge in Ghana. And I'm very happy that we from Aalborg University can contribute to this. We certainly also enjoy having the students from Ghana among us, and it certainly also contributes to the development of research at Aalborg University. So it's a real collaboration between the two universities, between the two countries, to the benefit of all of us. So I'm sure that you will have a fruitful seminar here, a fruitful workshop, and you will gain some new insights during these talks. So with this, I will leave the floor and leave it to you there in Accra. We will have some participants also at our end listening to the talks and participating. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to your workshop.
Jaffa was supposed to give his welcome speech before he spoke. I thought it wise that we wonder who was watching us from Denmark. So it's only fair to introduce the gentleman for him to do the speech. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to welcome the president of Ghana Telecom University College, Dr. Jaffa, to give his welcome speech.
Distinguished personalities present this morning, our partners from Aalborg University in Denmark, invited speakers, GTUC faculty, staff, and students present, our invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the University Council, faculty, staff, and students of GTUC, I wish to welcome all of you to this university and to our video conferencing center. We are glad you have been able to join us on this occasion as we explore new ways to harness mobile technology for tertiary education. Since the 11th century, the traditional classroom of the campus university has been the primary means for achieving the ultimate goals of tertiary education. Today, this traditional model cannot deal with the educational challenges of the 21st century. Advances in information technology has brought about a paradigm shift in how we provide education today. Even though traditional education will continue to be with us for generations to come, new forms of learning are increasingly becoming the flavor of the day. We've moved from what has been called Education 1.0, based on old devices called the chalk and the blackboard, to Education 2.0, which combines some elements of social networking, to what today we call Education 3.0. Now, Education 3.0 was coined by Derek Keats at the University of Witwatersrand in Johannesburg. He uses the term to categorize a possible future scenario of change in higher education, in which society will see breakdown of most of the boundaries imposed or otherwise within education, to create a much forceful and open system focused on learning. Education 3.0 is a paradigm shift and a quantum jump from earlier forms of education. It's a borderless education, so to speak. It is education delivered with autonomous learning software via smart devices. Today, we see mobile learning as a form of education 3.0. Mobile learning is timely and relevant for Ghana and the rest of Africa, given the need for success and the direction that we're going, and the fact that we have numerous challenges. Most people today have limited access to quality education and will not be able to have education if we continue in the direction that we are moving. M-learning can be applied to increase the reach of our best instruction and create a new learning capacity to expand learning opportunities than the present configuration of classroom lecture and outside readings could ever hope to be. There's a need to recognize and acknowledge this change and prepare